Nidhi Kaustavi. Okay. I hate my name when Google say me Kaustavi. Actually, it's Kaustavi, but I say it Kaustavi. Actually. Now let's add a white backdrop in the text. You can write your name, not mine, because it's about me, and you can write about yourself. Now back layer. Oh, should be more back layers. Let's put this here. Let's hold Shift and click it. Click the white stuff and group it. Then make it smaller. Now deselect it. Go to the codes tab. Now choose a sprite from the Scratch library. I hate bananas. That's why my dad brings a lot of bananas, but I don't eat them. My brother likes bananas a lot. Okay, I like rabbits. Rabbit. Okay, there is none of rabbits. Let's go to animal and see. I hate fishy. Okay, here's a rabbit. There's a cartoonish rabbit. Oh, that's only that. That's only that. Here's a cartoonish one. It's too large. Let's make it to 50. Now it's a small, cute rabbit. I don't like silver. I like white them. So let's select the whole, or what it is. It's fine. Now I'll say when this spread is clicked, where's the next costume? Next costume, like this. Okay. And say 2 seconds. I like rabbit. If I really have a rabbit, I'll name that Bun because that's cute name to me. Rabbit. Rabbit. Where's the T? Okay. Now let's see. I love rabbit. I like rabbit. That looks cute. How about let's remove the next costume? And I like rabbit. It looks very cute. Oh. Okay, let's skip this instead. Now I'll add my favorite food from the food. I don't like fruit salad because I never ate it. Water is no water. I don't like water. But I still drink it, and that's my jar. I do like milk kind of muffin. I never ate muffin. Okay, what is this? I don't know. Food truck. Oh, I do like ice cream. I do like ice cream. Oh, take out. I think I I read it wrongly. How about I don't like cake. Hmm, I'm going to draw my own spread. I like noodles. It kind of reminds me of noodles. So how about noodle? Name that noodles instead. Why these have some of these? No noodles are coming out. This looks cute. Okay, that's enough. Now let me spell it. So I have done it. Now you can see I like rabbit. I like noodles. Noodles. You can see this spelling, or you can just say it from Google if you have one microphone. Microphone. Now let's add another clothes. I like clothes, but which kind of clothes you the guys don't know. I like shirt. I don't like dress, but I like the dresses when it's like half hands but very big. But still, I like shirts a lot. T-shirts. T-shirts. That's no meaning. I like pants, and I always will wear it. It should not be pants. It should be jeans, and these are shorts. In home, I always wear shorts. I don't like muffler. They are just horrible to me. Let's add a shirt. Let's add a shirt and put it here. Make size 260. If you guys don't like shirts, tell me in the comments below, or you guys have to write what you like. And if you want to share it, there's a way to share. Here it goes. See project page. You can see one people watch it. You have to give the instructions. You have to give notes and share it. I will give some instruction and notes, but I cannot share. You guys could see why. See, it does not let me share. Okay. I like shirts. Click. I don't like the dinosaur in it, and I don't like the yellow color. Even yellow is my favorite color. Let's change it to something green. And instead, now let's go to the outline. Outlines should be red, but the green, but the lighter version of it. That looks better. So now let's give here. I like SHIRT shirts. Okay, now it's done. I didn't show how to add the sound. You can just like duplicate this block and add a sound. That looks good. That sounds good. So it has the pop sound. I love the pop sound, and I showed you how to make the animation. Okay. Okay, that sounds good to me. And also, the rabbit also have this pop sound. As that rabbit not remains own sound, then pop. Or you can just like put that there. That's how you add sound. And you can add more stuff. You can add your favorite things. I'll add my favorite thing. I like drawing. So let's add a canvas. I like art. Hence, with pencil, you write an art, both of them, but it could be different. Okay, I didn't find any canvas. Even it's in Scratch library. Even it's in Scratch library. Okay, here's the, what is this? So I said this the canvas, so to me it's canvas forever. So let's like make this the same color as this. Okay. Oh no. Let's make this the same color as this and the outlines also. This, okay, that's more better. Looks like a plain canvas which has nothing in it. Let's name this 1. I182. Okay, now it looks better. So let's add it. Then when the spread is click, say hi. Wait, where's the K? Like a art. Next costume. Like that. Now it's a beautiful drawing. Also, I want to kind of add the sound and backdrop music. You can just put like when the green flag is clicked, forever, play sound. Go to the sound library and put on loops. Click on loops. Have any sound you like? Any you like? I'll feel and don't put this or like sound horrible and like start sound, start sound, start sound. That's why it'll happen like that. And play sound until done. Play sound until done. So this is the one. So I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to my channel and give us a big like. So bye.